All right, everybody, welcome back. It's Mo again. Well, check this out. I have a Windows 11 machine and my server 2022. Let me log on to my 2022 server. I only have one DC right now, so there's no replicas. This is actually the main one, right? So if I go to the command prompt just to show you that it's actually the main one, right? And let me just make a change over here. And I do netdom query Fismo, look what I see over here. All the Fismo roles are pointing to the 2022 server. You see that? Okay, well, what's the DNS over here? It's 163. Let me check the properties and make sure 163 is also here. This is good. Let me go to my Windows 11 machine, right? Go to my network settings. See, this is a Windows 11 machine. It's going to be the same thing when it comes up to testing user objects and all that. Like everything that we did is same on Windows 10 or 11. So let me go properties. I'm going to leave the IP address obtained automatic, but DNS is going to be 163. 223, 163. Then okay, then okay. Now watch this. I'm going to go ahead and join the domain. So watch this. So I'm going to right click this PC, choose properties, right? And join it to the domain. There we go. All right. It's like what I did on the Windows 10 itself. So let's give it a few seconds. I could look at a full screen if I want. I could say rename this PC over here, and this just does the rename. I don't want that. I want to scroll down and do domain or what? Or work group, right? I'm going to click on change and domain and Udemy.local. And I should be prompted for log on. There you go. This is a good sign. Administrator and the password, right? Should ask me to restart. Click OK. OK. See, same thing as Windows 10. And if I go back to my server, I want to test it with one of the accounts that I have created before. Let's say S1. All right. I just need to test it with one account and see how that actually works out for us. S1 and see. I should be able to log on with it. The password was complex. I remember we did not change the password policy, right? So let's see anyway. So it's either Windows 10 or Windows 11. It's the same. Windows Server 2019, 2022. When it comes up to all the features that we did, it's the same. As I said, 2022 has more security features and more integration with, with Microsoft Azure. That's what I could tell you. It's almost there, right? Okay. Let me go ahead and log on. All right. And I'm going to say other user and S1 and put the password and see if I can log on. I should be able to log on. This account was created when it was actually on the 2019 server, but then remember it replicated to the 2022, and now I'm actually testing with this account. Welcome, hi. Okay, good. So this is actually good. This is a good sign that it's working. As I said, Windows 10 or Windows 11, as long as you're dealing with a pro version or an enterprise version, I would say pro more in a corporate organization. That's what you will actually see. And there you go. It's going to take just like what we did before on the Windows 10 machine. That's most likely it for the course. Well, I'm going to give you a finale in a moment, and we'll see. We'll continue later. All right, guys. Everybody later on. Bye then.